How to check to tell if the mandrel you have is the correct one for the A-LOK premium connector chosen to fit a specific pipe OD, and how to mount a connector on this mandrel using our new mandrel installation grips. First, let's check the thickness of the mandrel without the connector. It should be about a 1/4 inch less than the wall thickness of the form you plan to use it in. Now remove the inside mandrel half. Measure the dimension from the edge of the raised offset at 12 to 6 o'clock and then at 3 to 9 o'clock. These dimensions should be within 1/4 inch of each other to show the mandrel is round. Check the connector to see what number is printed on it. Now look at that number up on the dimensional data sheet. Check to see if the 12 to 6 and 3 to 9 dimensions we took appear in the A-LOK connector or mandrel ID column. If they do, we have the right connector for this mandrel and can now mount the connector on the mandrel. Begin by placing the nub near the nose of the A-LOK premium connector facing down toward the outside mandrel half. Then, using the mandrel installation grips, hold the connector in place, making sure the nose is up against the offset of the mandrel, and tighten the clamps down to secure the connector until it begins to flatten out. Check again to be sure the nose is still up against the mandrel offset all the way around. Now get the inside mandrel half and put it in place, and hand tighten down the nuts first, then secure with the socket wrench. Check the 4 inspection holes to be sure the nose of the connector is still up against the offset of the mandrel and has not moved while the mandrel halves are being tightened down. Be sure the water stop, the part that gets cast into the concrete, is standing straight out, perpendicular to the mandrel so the concrete can easily flow around it while casting the connector into the wall. Time to remove the clamps and go mount the mandrel in the proper position on the form.